In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do grid spot trading in BingX. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up a basic spot grid with confidence. Grid spot trading is a strategy that places a series of buy and sell orders within a defined price range, aiming to profit from normal market fluctuations. It's popular because it automates buying low and selling high, but remember, all trading involves risk, so start cautiously and only use funds you can afford to allocate. First, open the BingX website or app and head to the main trading interface. From there, click on Spot. This takes you to the spot market, where trades settle with actual crypto rather than derivatives. Once the spot area is open, look for the grid trading option and click it. This feature is specifically designed to help you run an automated grid strategy without managing every order manually. Next, in the strategy section, find Spot Grid and click the plus Create button. This opens the setup screen for your strategy. You'll see a prompt on the page designed to guide you through the recommended setup. Click the highlighted option to proceed. When the confirmation window appears, click Confirm. This acknowledges the settings you're about to use and moves you into the final configuration. Now choose the amount you want to invest. BingX usually shows a minimum required amount. If you're new, consider starting with a smaller allocation while you learn how your grid behaves. Keep an eye on fees and volatility. Grids work best in sideways or gently oscillating markets, where price moves up and down within a range. If you want to fine-tune the behavior of your strategy, click Modify Parameters. Here you can review or adjust key settings such as the lower and upper price bound and the number of grids. A wider range with more grids can capture more smaller moves, while a narrower range with fewer grids focuses on bigger swings. Conservative ranges reduce the chance of the price breaking out of your grid, while tighter ranges are more active but carry different risks. Make changes only if you understand their impact. When you're satisfied, click Create a Grid. Your strategy will deploy and begin placing staggered buy and sell orders automatically. As the market moves within your range, buys fill at lower steps and sells fill at higher steps, realizing incremental gains over time. You can monitor performance from your strategy panel and let it run according to your plan. And that's it. You've set up grid spot trading in BingX. Stay patient, review results periodically, and refine settings as you gain experience.